So my mom lives out of state. Okay, and she knows obviously I'm a therapist and whatnot, and during her annual visits to see the grandkids, she said, hey, a couple years ago, she's like, is it okay if I bring someone from my church, because she's really having a hard time. She's 17, I'll pay for her ticket, and then the week I'm there, can you just kind of sit with her in your back, and just therapize her, and then give her some tools and tips and whatnot. I said, first of all, Mom, this is your visit to come see the grandkids. And secondly, I don't want to do work while you're sitting in there chilling, making spaghetti. I'm Italian, so making, pasta and whatnot. And I'm working with this person I've never met before. Third, out-of-state stuff. I had to explain about the borders and how licensures are unique to the state, and I'm not obviously licensed in Georgia, and then the complexities of all of that. So those, which was cute, it was a nice idea. So I said, let's find, somebody in your area that maybe she could go to, but I appreciate you, Mom, thinking I'm the greatest thing out of all 4 of my siblings. So, so that being said, any kind of likenesses or stories that you might have around ethical, like black and white. We'll get into the gray later, but some black and white.